Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will explore my first ever built engineering PC. And to start first, we will start by the gaming case, which is a well packaged one and really heavy as well. Yeah, really heavy. Second, we will continue with the AMD RX7900XT graphic card, a beautiful graphic card, and we have the K 390 optimized keyboard and really nice. And we have zero latency click mouse. Yeah, a beautiful one. As you can see, yeah. How do you think about this? What do you think about this? What do you think about it? So, and next we will continue with we have a 6 terabyte hard drive. Yeah, a 6 terabyte Seagate hard drive. Yeah, nice. And next we have our 27-inch 4K monitor. Yeah, which has a great colors, and this is the gaming case with everything installed in it. And we have the water cooler and um, 1 terabyte SSD, the fan, the graphic cards already installed in it, and 34 gigabyte of RAM. And what else? Yeah, here we are opening the gaming case. Yeah, so we have all the constituents of the gaming case, and you can have a look inside. What do you think about it, guys? So next we will power it on the gaming case and see how beautiful all the colors and how it runs really smoothly. Beautiful colors, right? And then now we will start by exploring our software, engineering software design, and also structural softwares as well. And we'll start by SketchUp, and this is the first project in SketchUp, which is a really beautiful one. And as you can see, it is running really smoothly, butterly smooth, right? Yeah, butterly smooth. And we can see all the chest textures, the trees, colors, everything is not bad, I will say. Not bad. I really like it. So we will have several projects, and we will see how it will run with each one of them, how our setup will run each project and each software. We will see how smooth it will go and how smooth it will run, and we will see. And yeah, so we continue. Let's see, you can have a look at these textures. uh, Garden, uh, coconut trees, and yeah, really beautiful, as you can see. Yeah, really beautiful. Just now I just kept quiet because I wanted you guys to just enjoy uh, how it runs, instead of me just talking repeatedly. So you just can have a look and judge by yourself. And I will talk when maybe I will hop on each project, but not maybe throughout the entire video. So you can just calmly have a look and just judge by yourself how it runs. And second, we see the second project, the second design with also still with SketchUp and yeah. So you can see all the textures, really beautiful, the colors. Yeah, and it's running really smoothly as you can see. And don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to hit the notification bell. Yeah, so now we will try to launch Enscape and see how it looks in within Enscape, whether it will render beautifully, or and also whether it will run smoothly. So as you can see, all the textures, really beautiful textures, um, the roads, the stone, the tiles, and the ants right there. What do you think, guys? And also, what do you think about this design, guys? Yeah, really smooth. All right, so still same project, but different view. Just a quick view along this project, each scene, I will say. So now we go to another project, another project and another scene, and we will see how it will run with this kind of project. And I have noticed it doesn't matter whether the project is a heavy one or just a light one. Everything runs really smoothly. No matter the project is heavy or not, it will run really smoothly. So I can guarantee you guys that you can just have the same setup and everything will go really smoothly. There is no lagging at all. So just enjoy. I will throughout this entire video, I will try to talk less and just let you guys to just enjoy how it is running. Every project is running, and you can just judge by yourself. I will just try to talk less. And don't forget to write what do you think about it. down your comment below. So, and I will reply to each one of you. You can have a look at these textures, the wood, really beautiful. And the view, nice view. All right, next we will go to Blender and we'll try to render the scene. This is a demo scene from Blender website, and we'll try to render it in 4K. And here we have all the how I will say the settings I put on, the noise, and I stick every cases, I will say, yeah, and to have better results. So we have stick with the noiser, rendering part, everything, and we try to render it in 4K, and I will say, let's say 300%, 200 or 300% you will see, and then we render it in 4K and see if it will render it fast or just how it will perform. Let's see. Okay, so as you can see, the colors started appearing really well, and all the shapes. This is a really beautiful scene, as we can all see, and I can tell that the team or the person that designed this scene took a really long time to design it, because we can see each details about everything. The scene is really beautiful, and the guy that designed it did a really good job. Really good job. So just you can have a look and just judge by yourself how fast it render the scene with all vibrant colors and everything. So what do you think, guys? I'm just waiting like all of you guys, and we can all see how it render, and uh, I will just let you judge it by yourself how fast it render, um, depending on which project you have and maybe the file size. But I think it's pretty fast, I can say. Yeah, yeah, really beautiful with all the details right there. And now we move on to AutoCAD, and you can see how smooth AutoCAD is running, and it doesn't matter what is your project in AutoCAD, it will run butterly smoothly. Yeah, we can say really smooth, and it doesn't matter how many layers you have and everything, it will run really smoothly, as AutoCAD does not consume a lot of power, I will say. Yeah, so as for AutoCAD, it's lit. So next, we are in Lumion, and as you can see with Lumion, all the details, the colors, you can see I'm shaking it right now, and you can see how smooth it is. Yeah, really smooth. Just having a look around, and the stone, the road, the textures, the colors, and everything is really beautiful. Let's cross the road, and what a beautiful car right there. I wish I will have one day. So next we go to the file render, and we will render this scene in 4K. We try to render it in 4K and see how fast it will go, how long it will take to render this scene in 4K. As you can see, it's pretty fast. It's going fast. Really fast. And it's done. And guys, it's really fast, and as you can see, this is the time. You can all witness it with me. Really fast. So just we can just have a look how is it, how it looks like, and just see the textures, everything. It's real, like just as if we took a picture of the actual kitchen. So in DeFi render, we can use this is the recent DeFi render. So we can try to use AI post processing to see how we will let AI post process our already rendered image, and maybe the AI will better the picture, the render, and maybe better maybe some colors and maybe some realism in the picture. And this is the result. You can just compare by yourself and decide which one is better and how do you think is it's doing, and what do you think about it. And DeFi render is a really awesome rendering software. So this is another scene from the same project. And we will also try to render another scene from the same project in still in 4K and see how long this scene will take. Render it in 4K. Or I can say how fast it will render it. Let's see. And boom, this render is done as well, and you can see the time it took to render it. So this is the scene, the actual picture, and when I zoom in, it's really beautiful with all the textures, everything. So now let's go to Rhino. So we will go through some projects, see how it will run, and it's smooth. The first project. Second project, we will also see how it will run. And it doesn't matter how heavy your projects are, it will run butterly smooth. So just, and I really like it, this setup. The third project. Just I'm just turning. And next project. Really beautiful one, isn't it? How do you think about this project, guys? Still in Rhino. Another project. This is a stadium. just playing around, just turning the inside the project and see how it will go. And the project right there, still a stadium, right? Yes. Those are really beautiful projects. So guys, if you have anything to ask, you can just ask them in the comment section. And next we go to ArchiCAD and see how it will run this project. I think I will just present just one project and maybe we will move on to another one. Let's see. And what do you think about this project as well in ArchiCAD? All the textures, the colors, everything. It's beautiful. And I hope you like this design, this ArchiCAD design. The kitchen right there. Not bad. And maybe we will try to go to the rooms and see inside the rooms. Cool, not bad. Another room, and here we have one office just inside the house. It's a beautiful building, it's a beautiful project. We can see the floor plan. Yeah, so now we move on to SAP 2000 and we will see how it will run with some projects. And as we can see, it's really smooth, really smooth. You can run any analysis. It doesn't matter how heavy your file is, it will run really smoothly and really quickly. So you can just perform any kind of structural analysis really rapidly, and the setup will just run it effortlessly. And this is, we have a multi-story building with sheer walls. And as you can see, going smooth. So it doesn't matter whether you are a structural engineer, just a designer, an architect, any kind of engineering fields, you can just use this same setup and it will run really smooth. So, and I think the budget is, this budget is not a really great budget, just the setup is, I would say, cheaper than go with some RTS 4090 or higher, you can just go with AMD graphic cards and you are good to go. AMD is awesome. AMD also is doing pretty very good with a product. And so here we are in Premiere Pro, yeah. And just this is what I was doing, setting up this video, and I'm just fast forwarding this particular scene, and we will just stop with this one. And thank you very much for watching.